Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Starting in a child's pose position, bringing the forehead to the ground. We'll spend a few moments just reconnecting with the breath. Placing both hands out in front of the body and walking the hands over towards the right side of the mat, stretching through the left side of the body. Walking the hands over towards the other side of the mat. Gently release, slowly bringing the body up, moving into a tabletop position, taking an inhale into cow pose, and exhale into cat pose, moving through these two poses with your breath at your own pace. Coming back to a neutral spine, threading the right hand underneath the left, lifting the left hand, placing it above the head. Slowly coming up and switching sides. Gently release, lifting the body back up. And from here, walking the hands forward into a puppy pose. Melting the body in towards the mat. gently coming up. From here, moving into a low lunge, lifting up the left foot, bringing it in front of the body, interlocking the fingers, gently pressing the hands into the thigh. Bringing the hands over towards the right side of the foot, gently walking the left foot out towards the left side of the mat, lifting up the hand, gently pressing the knee. Slowly release, walking the foot back in, tucking the left knee in, and then we'll do the same for the other side. Right foot steps out in front of you, coming into the low lunge. Releasing the hands, bringing them onto the left side of the foot, walking the right foot out towards the edge of the mat. Release the hands, walking the right foot back in, slowly making your way into half butterfly pose. Feel free to use a pillow to assist. Gently walking the hands forward, going as far that feels comfortable. Gently release, switching sides. slowly bringing the body back up. We'll move into a wide forward fold, and again you can use the pillow to assist. Gently walking the body forward as far that feels comfortable. Slowly release, lifting the body up and making your way to lie down onto the mat, pulling the knees in towards the chest, giving yourself a hug, releasing the knees over towards the left side of the body. Gently release, switching sides. Slowly bringing the knees back in towards the chest and gently down towards the mat. Moving into the final Shavasana, allowing the eyes to close. And we'll just stay in stillness for these next few moments. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so grateful you're here, and I really hope to see you again soon.